My name is Jessica Frentress, and I work for Vaetrix in the Research and Development Division. I'm also in Inside Sales, and today we're covering our hydro test gauge series that we've developed here in our Baton Rouge location. The first gauge I'm going to cover is the HTG. It's our portable model. This model has the ability to read 2 temperatures and 1 pressure. It comes with a single RTD input, or you have the option to have a dual RTD input. The single RTD model allows you to read 1 pipe temperature or ground temperature as well as ambient. The dual RTD model allows you to have 2 RTD inputs, 1 for pipe temperature, 1 for ambient, or any combination of the 2. The second model I want to go over is the HTGX series. The X stands for rugged, as it is housed in an IP67 rated Pelican case, which is also waterproof. It can also be closed during operation, and the main difference between the two is that it is panel mounted, the connections are located on the back, and the instructions for use are housed on the side of the unit. All gauges come with a NIST traceable cert as well as a 4-year manufacturer warranty. They can be ordered from anywhere from 15 psi all the way up to 15,000. Please see us at sales@vaetrix.com or check out our website www.vaetrix.com for more information.